guys, and welcome to another video from the Bull and Bear Analyst. Today we're looking at the US 100 or the Nasdaq 100. Just before we start, as always, if anyone's interested in joining my free market analysis group over on Telegram, please feel free to scan the barcode on your screen right now. Okay, so going back to the Nasdaq 100, currently trading at 10,871. Nasdaq has been having a very interesting period the past week, and especially yesterday with the CPI numbers that came up. CPI numbers came up at around 8.2% to the predicted 8.1%. So that only means that inflation is getting worse. And that will only push the Federal Reserve to push interest hikes even further, get more aggressive with the interest rates. And they're going to increase it every quarter. That definitely, these news, we did mention that they will push the Nasdaq all the way down. And we did see a dip in the Nasdaq and the market in general. When it comes after the news, when it comes to the CPI readings, but we actually saw a huge rally towards the upside, and the reason the rally happened, which I'm going to explain now, is basically we've been having a bear market for the past 3 months, obviously, or even more than 3 months. And the way to end a bear market is on two occasions: one, the fundamentals change; two, stocks are so cheap. So the first reason is the fundamentals change, and in our case, the fundamentals did not change. Actually, they've been getting worse. So that's definitely not the reason why the market has been rallying up right now. The other reason is probably the reason that the market is rallying up is the stocks are so cheap that investors cannot say no to buying them, basically. And this is what we've actually been saying in the market right now. Now, this is my personal opinion, obviously. And I think this is the reason we've been seeing a huge rally towards the upside, especially with the Nasdaq 100. Now, going back to the predictions of the Nasdaq, and I believe if you're looking at the VIX right now, VIX is currently at 32, or the volatility index is at 32 points right now, and it was actually at 36 a few weeks ago, and now it's kind of aiming for the 20 level, and I think. If your strategy was to buy stocks when the VIX was above 36 and sell it when it's below 20, especially this year, then you've been doing very, very well. And I think it's currently a very good buying opportunity, especially in the medium term or the short term, let's call it, because I think the VIX is aiming to go for the 20. So I think there will be a huge buying opportunity here for the Nasdaq.